Webull Canada Honest Review 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you an honest review of Webull Canada in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Webull Canada is a commission-free trading platform that allows users to trade stocks, ETFs, and options. Over here, you can trade equities listed on major US and Canadian exchanges. After that, it does not support mutual funds, bonds, or futures. Then, Webull provides different account types like taxable accounts, TFSA, and RRSP, making it suitable for various investment goals. Now, let's talk about fees and commissions. Over here, Webull charges CAD $2.99 per trade for Canadian stocks and US $2.99 for US stocks. After that, options contracts come with a US 99 cents per contract fee. Then there is a 1.5% currency conversion fee and a $10 annual maintenance fee. Now moving on to trading platforms. Over here, Webull offers a mobile app and a desktop platform with advanced charting tools, real-time market data, and customizable watch lists. After that, both platforms support paper trading, which helps users practice their strategies without financial risk. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. Over here, the pros include a user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and no account minimums. After that, the cons include limited asset classes, occasional platform stability issues, and customer support concerns. Now, coming to the final conclusion. Over here, Webull Canada is a great choice for investors looking to trade stocks, ETFs, and options at competitive pricing. After that, users should consider the limited asset offerings and customer service issues before making a decision. So that's an honest review of Webull Canada in 2025. That's all for this video.